Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure you're signed into your Xbox profile and online. Network access is required so pages load. Once done, press the Xbox button, go to My Games and Apps, then Apps, and launch Microsoft Edge. If you don't see Edge, search the store and install it. Make sure to pin Edge to Home now so you don't repeat steps later. This saves time and keeps the browser one button away when you need it quickly. With Edge open, learn how to move and type. Use the left joystick to aim the cursor and press it to select links or inputs. Press the View button to bring up the on-screen keyboard, or pair a USB or Bluetooth keyboard for faster typing. This matters for long URLs or passwords. Use the Tabs button to open and switch pages and save frequent sites with favorites. These actions streamline browsing and reduce fumbling, so you can focus on content instead of controls. To finish, use Edge to stream video or download files. Play media in the browser and control sound with the Xbox volume or headset. If you download, open Edge's menu to access downloads or find files in My Files on the console. If pages fail to load, first verify your network connection, then clear Edge's cache or sign out and back in. Finally, update Edge through the Microsoft Store. These final checks resolve most issues and keep browsing smooth on your Xbox One.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.